Hello, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. Today we are making something very quick, simple, and it's a hit with the kids. So I've got in here 2 bananas and I've got 1 mango. You can increase depending on how many you want to make. And I have got plain Greek yogurt, and I also have double fresh cream. It's the heavy cream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bananas using a NutriBullet to blend, or you can use a blender. To the bananas, I will add 1 tablespoon of the plain yogurt, and I'll add 2 tablespoons of the fresh cream. So the fresh cream has a bit of sugar as well, so that also helps to add to the sweetness. And to the mangoes, because the mangoes are less than the bananas, I'll add 1 tablespoon of this and 1 tablespoon of this. And I have got here this mold for popsicles and the sticks. So this is where I'm going to pour it, and then I'll let it chill in the freezer, and I'll give it to the kids and they can enjoy. So I've blended my bananas, and I've also tasted to make sure that they've got the sweetness that I need, and they're nice and sweet, so I don't need to add any sweeteners, any honey. So what I'm going to do now, I've got the sticks, so I'm just gonna pop the sticks in. So now I'll pour. And this comes with a cover. So now I am going to cover it, and I'll go put it in the freezer to set. Meanwhile, I am going to rinse out my NutriBullet so I can blend the mangoes. So our mangoes have been blended and they're ready, and I've got leftover banana. So what I'll do is, with one of them, going to be half mango and half banana. So our icy pops are ready, and I am just going to take one out. So you just press from underneath so it pops up,